You have an OLM file and need to export contacts from it? No more manual exports. Meet Regain OLM Contacts Export Tool, a simple and secure solution to export Outlook for Mac (OLM) contacts into multiple formats and email platforms with ease. Let's quickly see what this tool can do. Save your OLM contacts into formats like vCard, CSV, PST, EML, Mbox, and PDF. Move contacts directly to Microsoft 365 and Exchange Server. Export contacts to popular email services like Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Zoho Mail, Amazon Workmail, and Office 365 or Exchange Server. Not only contacts, it can also export emails, calendars, tasks, and notes. Lets you preview your data before exporting them, and many more advanced features. Now, let's see how you can download this software on your device. First, go to Google and search for Regain OLM Contacts Export Tool. From the search results, open our official website. Here, you can purchase the software at a reasonable price, and if you want to try it first, simply click on the free download button to download the trial version on your device. Once the download is complete, go to the file location and double-click on the .exe file to start the installation. The installation is very simple. Just follow the on-screen instructions, accept the permissions, and keep clicking Next until the setup is finished. After installation, open the software. You will see a clean and user-friendly dashboard. Now, to export contacts from your OLM file, first you need to import the OLM file into the software. Click on the Browse option at the top menu. In the pop-up window, click Browse again, select your OLM file from your device, and click Open. Then click on the Add File button. Your OLM file will be added successfully, and you can see all available folders on the screen. Now, let's start the export process. Click on the Export option from the top menu. You will see multiple export options here. Since we are exporting contacts, select Save to vCard. After that, click on Browse, choose a destination folder where you want to save the output file, and click OK. Finally, click on the Save Data button. The export process will start, and your contacts from the OLM file will be saved in vCard format on your device. Now, let's explore another powerful feature, which is cloud migration. Click on the Cloud Migration option from the top menu. Here, you can migrate your OLM data directly to email clients like Gmail or G Suite, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail or MSN or Outlook.com, GoDaddy, Amazon Workmail, and Office 365 or Exchange Server. Let's start with Gmail or G Suite. In the Gmail login window, enter your email address and password. If two-step verification is enabled, make sure to use your app password instead of the regular password. Also, select the correct IMAP settings if required. Then click on Login and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the migration. For Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, and GoDaddy, the steps are similar to Gmail. Just log in and proceed. Now, for Amazon Workmail, select it from Cloud Migration, enter your Workmail server details, username, and password, then click Login. After login, follow the on-screen steps to complete the migration process. For Microsoft 365 or Exchange Server, go back to Cloud Migration and select Office 365 or Exchange Server. Here, you will see two login methods, Basic Authentication and Multi-Factor Authentication. If you choose Basic Authentication, first select your server type, enter server address, enter your username and password, and then simply click on the Login Now button. But if you choose the Multi-Factor Authentication method, click on the Login Now button first. As a result, the Microsoft login window will open. Here, enter your email address, then on the next step, enter password, complete the verification, and finish the sign-in process. After login, just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the migration. That's a complete walkthrough of the Regain OLM Contacts Export Tool. Visit our official website today and try the free version of this software. Thanks for watching.